Welcome to the Best Social Teacher YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss geography part in SSC public examination. In geography, the second lesson is forest and wildlife resources. For this lesson, we have 4 marks question weightage in the public examination. One of the important concept in this lesson is national parks versus wildlife sanctuaries. So let us discuss the topic. In public examination, the question may be asked like this: differentiate between national parks and wildlife sanctuaries. Here you can see Jim Corbett National Park, Madumalai Wildlife Natural Park and Rollapadu Wildlife Sanctuary, Koyana Wildlife Sanctuary. Like this, some of the national parks and wildlife sanctuaries also seen in this picture. First of all, what are the differences between these national parks and wildlife sanctuaries? In these, first of all, what are the purpose of these two? National parks are the areas reserved mainly for protecting wildlife and natural habitats, whereas wildlife sanctuaries are the areas meant for protecting animals in their natural environment. The second one is human activities. How far human activities are restricted in these natural parks and wildlife sanctuaries. In national parks, the human activities like grazing and collecting forest produce are not allowed. They are strictly not allowing human activities in national parks. But whereas in wildlife sanctuaries, some regulated human activities like grazing may be allowed. The cattle may be allowed to the forest areas or wildlife sanctuaries for the grazing purpose. Next one is the difference is level of protection. The natural parks enjoy higher and stricter legal protection, whereas the wildlife sanctuaries protection level is slightly less strict compared to national park. Here we can see the national parks have very higher and stricter legal protection, whereas the wildlife sanctuaries have slight or less strict in nature. The next difference is the examples. We can say Jim Corbett National Park is an example for national park, whereas Sundarbans Wildlife Sanctuary in West Bengal is an example for wildlife sanctuary. So let us discuss all these points in screenshot page. After completion of the discussion, please take a screenshot for your reference. National parks, wildlife sanctuaries. National parks are the areas reserved mainly for protecting wildlife and natural habitats. Wildlife sanctuaries are the areas meant for protecting animals in their natural environment. In national parks, human activities like grazing and collecting forest produce are not allowed, whereas wildlife sanctuaries have some regulated human activities like grazing and may be allowed. National parks enjoy higher and stricter legal protection, whereas the wildlife sanctuaries protection level is slightly less strict compared to national parks. The example for national park is Jim Corbett National Park in Uttar Pradesh, whereas the wildlife sanctuary, the example for wildlife sanctuary is Sundarbans Wildlife Sanctuary in West Bengal. Thank you one and all. Wish you all the best for your public examination. Please subscribe the channel and share this video if it is useful for you with your friends and teachers. Thank you one and all. Please subscribe the channel.